So here we are, to Canyonlands National Park, which is 30 miles outside of Utah, according to the
Outside of Utah?
30 miles outside of Moab.
Is it day 2 or day 3?
It's day 2 of doing something. Yesterday we did a full day, as full as we were gonna make it, in Arches National Park. We're gonna go back. There's some unfinished business there, but we were done. My lower back and knees.
Yeah, and my psyche. It's more my mood that was.
And Corey's mood was deteriorating. I could have went further on the knees, but Corey's frown was getting bigger. Bright and early start today. So I don't know. We'll get to...
Can we let the record reflect that I have been out of the house, not going to work, but out of the house prior to 9 a.m.
In
3 days in a row.
Turn left onto Utah 313 West.
Yes, but we're also. Okay. I'd also like the record to take into account that we're on a 2-hour time difference. So in our minds, it feels like 11 a.m.
No, it doesn't. In my mind, it felt exactly like what time it said on the clock. I also went to sleep at 8:30 last night.
Which makes it even worse.
No, it doesn't, because I was up literally at least once every hour to get a drink of water.
All right, so we just turned down here at the Schafer Trail Road.
A booby bouncer. Booby bouncer.
And this goes to the gooseneck overlook of a river, which I'd like to see. And then we can either come back up or go back around. But I can already sense a situation where my wife is going to be not happy with me videotaping and driving. So, small change of plans.
Yeah. Fucking way I was doing it.
We were on that road.
If we would have just,
then we would have like been. And then over there, right about that first little cut switchback, my wife informed me that my marriage was on the line. I call that Corey's curve. Yeah. Right there. So now we head up to Whale Rock. We just did the Mesa Arch. I'm going to be honest with you, the Mesa Arch in Canyonlands, I think, was as nice or better than anything from Arches.
The ship graveyard.
It's not called the ship graveyard.
It's not called anything.
It is. It's a turnoff point.
Nope.
It is Holman Spring Canyon Overlook.
Or
listen,
the ship graveyard.
Well worth it. Get out of the car, walk down over the edge, and have a seat. Well worth it. Just wanted to point that out. So here it is, the Grand Viewpoint. Annoying is the wind. You can edge up to the edge, get a picture and stuff, and then like a 25-mile-an-hour gust of wind hits you.
Right.
And it scares me.
Maybe you shouldn't stay go by the edges.
Maybe.
That's the
Why would they put the edges?
Up.
Why would they put the edges there if they didn't want me to stand next to them?
That's the universe's way of saying back up.
So we got done about 2:15 at Canyonlands, which I loved, and then we realized that the wineries that we want to go to closed at 6 for some reason on a Saturday night. So we were going to go back and change and go do that, but now that got scrubbed. So now we are just driving aimlessly. So the wife and I just left the Castle Creek Winery. We just left the winery, and the lady told us about this place. Was told, read the little thing down there in the parking lot, was at 5,000 feet elevation, and that's around 6,500 up there. We're gonna see how far we can go. Yeah, and then we're gonna go back and eat Mexican food and have margaritas.
Yeah.
Maybe. We're at a crossroads. We're gonna go this way, then we're gonna go the other way. And we're gonna see. All right. Huh. Give me your hand.
Okay, I don't know what this is. This is getting advanced. Really advanced. We are in advanced.
Well, we made it.